Hello, it's Kimberly again from Pico Medical. Today I'm here to show you the UpWalker. The UpWalker helps you stand up straight while walking, and they also have a seat. I have the UpWalker Lite, which weighs 15.5 pounds, and I have the standard UpWalker, which weighs 23 pounds. The UpWalker Lite still functions the same way as far as keeping you straight when you're walking. Still has your hand brakes, you still have your seat, your backrest, and your cup holder on this side. The differences are the wheels and also the functionality as far as moving parts. So this piece here, you're not able to adjust it. You're not able to adjust the seat forward and back like the standard, which I'll show you in a moment. The wheels are smaller in the back, but then again, if you don't need all of that, then this would be the walker for you. To fold it, all you'd have to do, lift up on the seat, and it folds like that. You're able to adjust the armrest lower so that it's more compact when you put it into the car. Okay, so that is 15.5 pounds. This is the UpWalker standard. This one you can see is a lot more robust. You have your padded hand grips here. This is for when you're sitting on it. When you sit on it, you just simply pull the seat forward, make sure the brakes are locked, and then you just sit down. So this is for you when you need to stand back up. And then you're able to stand up with ease. When you're ready to walk, you would push the seat forward and then release the brakes. This one you're able to adjust a lot more moving parts than the Lite. This one, how you fold it, what you want to do is pull the seat towards you, and then you're going to lift up. I like to fold the seat down, so it folds like that, and then I like to adjust the handles lower to make it more compact. And the wheels in the back are a lot larger on this one because it's meant for multi-terrain. That is the UpWalker. Come on by today, check it out for yourself. Thank you, bye-bye.